So the way that Tiba's memory work right now is that whenever I have a conversation with her, the conversation, like the question and answer kind of way, like I asked something or I said something and the assistant answered, is saved in Qdrant. And every time that I ask something else throughout the day, it is going to actually get everything from Qdrant, whatever it had so far, and then it's going to put it as a system prompt. But of course, you cannot go on like for a week, a year or so on like that, and you have to remove this short-term memory and create a long-term memory. It is so fun when you code something start coding at 6 a.m. and then you finish it by 7. So right now I have an endpoint which I can say which collection in Qdrant I want to be summarized. Here the text is summarized and the prompts are removed. The Qdrant adapter, so the code I have here is in C#. I get all the prompts, I don't filter anything, so I just get everything sorted by the created at. Then I'm going to filter them by type, so I only need the prompt. I have different knowledge types. I have prompt, information, and memory. And then I'm just going to map them to a knowledge item and just return them. And then after that, I will make a conversation. So here I will create a string builder and then go through the prompts and then add the role with a colon in the beginning and say, should like add the prompt content, and then return the conversation, and then the conversation will go to Ollama, like my model here, using Ollama, and then I'd say you summarize everything given to you, and then like as a system prompt, and then here I say summarize this text, and then it will return the summarized text for me. For now, whatever it returns works fine. Right now, the conversation I had with Tiba was really short. It was what I showed before. I just asked her to introduce herself, and now this is summarized. Then I just save the memory. So here I'm just going to add a new point to my vector database, and then with the memory content, role is system, because I'm just going to use it as system prompt later to have it in, so Tiba has it in mind. And then the type is memory, and this is the time that is created. So it's basically going to actually put the same payload here, and I'm again using Ollama client to create an embedding when I want to add it into the Qdrant. And then eventually I'm just going to remove every prompt that I have. So this way, so the short-term memory is removed and then everything is added to the long-term memory. Of course, this may need some tuning, but for now it should work.